Binili ko to you guys 2 months ago. Sabi ko, parang mahirap tong ikabit ano. Kaya, I waited, I think, more than 2 months nung binili ko to. It is called Steady X3 SE. Pero baliktad din 3 niya, no? Ano siya, Hohem gimbal. So, anyway. Finally, I did it! So, yung may maliit na remote dyan, it's so cool you guys. Akala ko mga ngamote ko pero hindi. So, itong maliit na remote na to, no? Anyway, I set it up already. Tingnan nyo guys. So, may maliit na tong sa top nun. Ano siya, joystick. Yung pinaka-top na sa top ng green light. So, joystick siya guys. Ayan. See? Oh, meron na akong robot dito sa bahay. Galing ano? So, if I wanna do landscape, yung, yan. Tapos, ito siya. Oh, point. Bumaliktad. Ayan. Point. Pagka nabagsak to, paktay. Sira na to pagka bumagsak lang to na isang beses. Galing, no? Tapos I can record. Ayan yung, ayan. May recorder you guys yung sa ilalim din. Battery niya, I still have full battery. Ayan yung recorder sa ano yung red. Galing guys, no? I like it. My favorite part yung tong yung joystick. Or, oh, see? Kaya kung gusto nyo sasayaw, sayaw kikay. Nung binili ko to, hindi ko alam meron pala yung nadidetect ka. So, it follows you around. But it's too late. Plus, I don't really need that. Anyway. Who wants to follow me around? Who wants to follow me around? I don't need it because I have this joystick. See? You can follow me around as long as I have the battery. Full blast battery. That's cool, huh, you guys? Oh. Gusto ko landscape. Ay, bumalik na. Let me see if I double click it again. See what happened? So it doesn't go upside down either. Sideways or up only. Cool, huh, you guys?